And welcome to another session on this bank holiday Monday of the market outlook that Lit Capital brings. How are you guys doing? I hope you all had a great Easter. Hope you're all feeling rested. I hope you're all feeling blessed. To those that don't celebrate it, it's just another Sunday for you guys, but we're bringing you the call on the next day due to the holidays, okay? And today, I'm accompanied with Pastor Pips. How you doing, bro?
I'm doing well, bro. Great
Yeah.
intro there. I hope you all enjoyed your Easter. Let's get into it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And yeah, today we're going to be bringing you guys a forecast of what we're looking for the start of April. We are now in quarter 2. Okay, so stuff is going to pick up. So this will be the first outlook of what is to come in April. I'm excited for this month. Very excited for this month. But before we get into it, of course, if you haven't already, we have noticed, what is the percentage, Josh, of people that are not subscribed to our channel?
It's too damn high. About 79% of you guys are unsubscribed. Like, guys, just hit the subscribe button.
Please, guys, if you could
completely
go
free.
onto our YouTube, if you watch our content regularly, if you can subscribe to our channel, it will be immensely appreciated, okay? But check it out. Like, we have a whole range of, we've just released a new lit tip on how to use Fibonacci part 2. That was yesterday, just to go a bit off topic, but please check that out. You know, for those guys that are beginners wanting to get into the game, we do have some tips videos on here that will definitely help you guys, okay? But if you haven't, please subscribe. Okay, before we do anything in terms of the charts, we have to check out the economic calendar for the week ahead, okay? So Monday, being a bank holiday, not really going to be looking at the market in regards to seeing any type of moves today. And we're definitely not trading either. So not really much going on that really stands out at all, really. So bit of a dead day. We're just going to let that play out. Tuesday, we have some Aussie interest rate. So definitely going to be interested in what that outcome will be. And we also have some unemployment for some Euro countries. And we also have some job openings in the US. So Tuesday's looking good for sure. Heading into Wednesday, we have the Purchasing Managers Index for CAD. That's the only real major new. Oh no, we got the trade balance, excuse me, as well for the USD. So there's a few things to look out for there on Wednesday. Thursday, we have Chairman Powell speaking. Other than that, nothing really standing out on the Thursday. And then Friday, we finish it off with unemployment for Swiss franc. And we also have unemployment data coming out of Canada. So again, a lot of high impact news events to look out for those that are active this week. You know, definitely be in tune with what's happening on the fundamental end in regards to whatever pairs are relative to those news events. So I'm gonna take you over to GU. It's been great trading this pair the last week, 2 weeks, and we've had some really good trades given out in our Discord. As you can see, we definitely gave out a buy limit from, is it 137,510, and we're still riding this higher. I did predict that we could at least see 139 reached. So what I'm anticipating is price, it has pushed up this morning, which is good news for us. But I am trying to see it at least get to the 139 mark. We do have some equal highs resting right above the 138,800, but I'm trying to target this candle up here to see if price gives us a reaction to the downside. If not, I am actually anticipating a sell from a lot higher up. Okay, so on the daily perspective, I would like to see these equal highs wiped out before we then get a short to come back down. But that I don't think is ready yet. So if the fact that it's not ready yet, I do think we can get that push higher. So for those that have been still riding the buy from last week, you know, just be patient, man. Let us do out. We had the first TP hit, which was 138,200, and it's been riding ever since. So let's just stay calm. You know, it's nowhere near our entry. It's a risk-free trade right now, so we're just gonna ride that out. We can potentially get another entry on this, but I'm just gonna let it form. With it being Monday, we kind of seen a bit of a low volume heading into this morning, but you know, if we could get another pullback down to maybe 13, just under 138, if we could get that, there is a little bit of imbalance here and stuff of that nature. So I do think we can see that potentially happen. If not, and it continues, so be it, we're in the trade. So obviously I'm going to be monitoring this as and when, if we do get another entry, I'll be sending it out in the Discord. If you're not in our Discord and you'd like access to our monthly subscription channel, then please reach out to one of us either on our social media or check out what's it called, our YouTube channel for more details on that. So last pair I'm actually going to go through is gold. This has been flying. Okay, we've had a crazy buy from 1680 roughly, and we haven't really seen any retracement, okay, in regards to where we had the shadow retracement here. So I'm anticipating if we can get a pullback lower, I'm not really going to buy at the heights that it is at, because we do have some targets to the upside for sure, and I do want to see it breached. So I would like to see a pullback. Like we can see, we've had a lot of bullish volume. Even on the daily, we can see, I'd like to see a pullback higher first. If it continues upwards, then so be it. I'm still going to wait for a deeper retracement, just in regards to there's probably a lot of people tagging along for the buy right now in regards to these shallow retracements and stuff of that nature. So I'm very bullish on gold. I do think if we can get the continuation of this 4-hour structure, we could, you know, see daily prices, higher prices reached as well. So I just want to wait to see how this unfolds, but I do have my eye on it for this week, just in regards to potentially getting that structure break to the upside. So let's see how it unfolds. This will be posted in the Discord channel as well. Those are the main two that I've kind of caught my eye coming into the charts over the weekend and stuff like that. So that is what I'm going to focus on for now, and I'm going to hand you over to Josh.
Thank you,
Over,
bro.
bro.
Cool. So the first pair I'm going to be bringing you guys today is going to be on GBPUSD. Okay. So first things first, I understand that GA is actually quite bullish currently. However, I do believe we can get a short. It might not be a long-term short, but I feel like we may get a reaction out of this area here on the 1 hour. So I will be looking around the 1.82, sorry. It was also in and around the high level, also a whole number. So we may see prices reacting out of there to come down lower. You know, certain targets could be these lows down here. But I do feel like GA can come down momentarily before potentially looking to push up higher. But do be wary, because the pound, boy, the pound is very strong right now. Okay, cool. So on the other hand, we have EURNZD. So guys, if you check out the most recent midweek outlook call, okay, I went over EURNZD, NGU, and all of our other pairs that we traded last week. EURNZD was around 40 pips in profit, and as you can see, it's fully hit our take profit. It's fully hit my target, which was to fill this hole in balance. So, you know, as you can see here, you know, multiple entries slapped on this pair, which is great. Looking at things from the high time frame, you know, I am in two minds about this, because this could just potentially be a retracement. You know, if we look at the weekly and we look at the monthly, it could just be a slight pullback, a slight retracement for prices to head down lower. However, you know, we can't, you know, disregard the fact that price has, you know, broken previous highs. So, you know, we may get a push to the upside. However, the momentum, you know, overall, when we look at the high time frames, seems to be to the downside. So as of now, you know, if you are still in this trade, just keep on eating well, keep on following through with this trade. And yeah, guys, like I said earlier on, about 79% of you guys are unsubscribed. You know, we have more people watching our videos than actually subscribing to our channel. So if you are enjoying the videos, just hit that bell notification, subscribe, and like all the videos. You know, all this stuff here is free for you guys to enjoy. Yes, and you know the vibes. It's lit side. And remember, every day is
Money day. Peace.
Peace.